You guys are here with MVI, and I am in a 21 Chevy Suburban with the nice 10-inch screen. So I wanted to show you our Carplay Portal 2.5 Plus. This is the version with HDMI. So this particular vehicle does not have the rear screens, but if it did, you could go output from our device into your input for the rear screens and get some entertainment functionality both on the front screen and your rear screens in the truck. So pretty cool. So it is our portal. It simply just plugs in. There is no installation. You simply plug it into your factory USB port. You'll see the CarPlay icon lights up. It does run on CarPlay, so you do need to make sure CarPlay is turned on. If you're an Android phone user and don't use Apple, for this device to work, you will need to make sure that's turned on in your settings. But once you enter it, you can see all the new apps we've got here on screen, full touch screen control. The cool thing is it brings you Tubi, Prime, Disney, HBO Max, Hulu. Those are kind of the ones that we load on it. Netflix. If you want to go to the Play Store, you can download apps as long as it's compatible with this device. Not all apps are. Not all apps allow sharing either, so you do have to be it's got to be compatible basically, but you can go right to the Play Store and sign in, basically get whatever you want. But as you can see, full touchscreen control, works real nice. Now the cool thing is, pair your phone to the system, and when it comes in, a phone call comes in, it'll interrupt your movie or whatever you're doing and place the call on the speakers. Just like you were basically on your factory system. So we can go in and basically see all your contacts and whatnot in there with the phone. So it's going to act just like it would on your factory system. So pretty cool stuff. But let me give you a quick run through. So Netflix seems to be the popular one. You can go in here and get full on screen, pick your poison, let it fire off and run, and we've got streaming capability right here in the vehicle, which is pretty cool.
So I'm online at the supermarket.
So there we go, Seinfeld. This does work while you're moving down the road, guys. I get that question all the time. We can put it in drive and it'll stay on for you, so no worries there. Just kind of give you a quick run through of the rest so you can kind of see the quality and whatnot. Hulu's pretty cool. You can get your TV guide in here and pick whatever you want. You got King of Queens playing. Full screen. Do some HBO Max. I did notice this one takes a little bit longer to load, so this one is kind of a data suck, if you will. So real quick, I'll point out this has a SIM card, so you don't have to use a SIM card, but I'm running on data right now. It's also got Wi-Fi, so you compare it to the truck's Wi-Fi. My experience with the truck's Wi-Fi is it's not really all that great, especially for downloading apps and then also streaming videos. So you really want to have like a data card or maybe pair to your phone. You can call OnStar and refresh your module and then it will work, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. But we can go in here and pick whatever. I got HBO Max working on this. It wasn't working in the previous versions, so, and it's not liking my Wi-Fi where I'm at for this particular one. So when I say HBO Max is a data suck, that's what I'm referring to. You can see that it's loaded just fine, but it's not really streaming it like it should. So it is real data dependent, guys. So let me just kind of drive into another area. So this clears all your apps out, so that'll help run things slightly better. So it just takes a little while to kick in and get going, but you can go in here and Let's just do Jungle Cruise. As you can see right now, I'm currently just happen to be in a spot where I'm picking up good signal. So I'm just in a horrible area here, period. It's just never good in this area, but when I'm out in the city, this will run constantly without any issues. So finally have this working. One for the 10-inch screens, didn't have it before, and you can see this one is super responsive, guys, much faster. This is the piece, if you've got the older version, 1920, that does not have the wireless CarPlay. This would allow you to do wireless CarPlay as well and connect right to it. I don't know if this is gonna work right at the moment because I'm not really fully paired. Actually, there it goes. So wireless CarPlay as well. So if you've got the 1920 trucks without the wireless CarPlay, this will add it. So nice little added feature to that as well. And then again, you get the lost my train of thought. Anyway, HDMI output. So if you're wanting to run entertainment, so this will mirror from here to the rear screens if it's equipped. So you can now get the same entertainment up here as the rear screens got going on. I've had a lot of requests for that as well. So that's pretty much it. What's that?
Mapping?
It does give you GPS mapping as well. Probably not as important for you SUV owners, assuming most of you guys will have the mapping for that. But if you've got like a Tahoe without the factory mapping, we can run. This is pretty much, it's a little bit more involved than the factory mapping, but this is basically the same interface. It's made by Here Mapping, which is the exact same company that makes the maps for GM. So if I were to pull up the GM mapping, so this will give you turn-by-turn audio as you're going down the road, while also muting the, so I can go right back to factory system. Let's just go, you can see right now it's paired to the MVI Portal. Let's just go to, say, XM, if you're a subscriber. That turned down, I can go home. So with music playing, we can go right into the mapping, and if I had a route plugged in, it would give us the turn-by-turn as we're going down the road as well. So it's a great little option to add navigation to your vehicles that aren't equipped as well. And let me just see if we can do this real quick. So let's go here, and let's see, is this thing equipped with the factory mapping, which actually this one is not. So good little point here. Got Chevrolet maps. Oh, maybe that is the factory mapping. Let's see here. I think that's actually going to be the OnStar, but we'll find out. Yeah, so this is the OnStar plan it wants you to connect to. So we can close this and go right back to my mapping. Now you've got full GM mapping right here on the screen as well. So pretty cool stuff, guys. I've got these right now at the same price they've been, so this will give you the HDMI output. I've only got a handful available at that price, and then it is going to go up. So message us. As usual, the best way to reach us is on the website through the chat. We are fairly responsive there. We won't be today because we're on this install. Going to be bringing a front camera install as well to this here next, but I wanted to bring this to you and show you that. So any questions, holler at us. Appreciate it.